Hey everybody, it's Roland and Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is the 1st of November, Tuesday, 2022. Dow Jones, let's just jump right into it here. This is the daily chart. Here's the candle. Might be a little hard to see or read. I'm going to delete, I'm gonna mute this a little bit. This is the candle today that closed, opened up, rallied up, took out the previous day high, took out the previous day high of that, which would have been in October. So that was the high of October. So I'm going to go back and turn this on. This is the month of October. So that was the high of October. So we had a lot of confluence here. As if you watched my video yesterday, I mentioned this, that we had objectives here, which was this candle. This is that supply block. Now, we first had it on the low of the candle, and then I mentioned to you that we did not hit the open of the candle. So if you look here, now the line we had on the open, and then price ended up taking that out. So the confluence was, we had a trade today, but the confluence was it was going to take out the previous high, which would have been this one. That was not only the October high, it was the month high. And then we got into this open of the supply block. So that's a lot of confluence, and we're already near the 78 right here, right? And we're overbought here. All right. So we have a lot of confluence, and we have news tomorrow, which interest rates are coming out, and I know it's still going to be a high inflationary environment that we're in. So they're going to rate the hike, right? Hike the rate, and then from now go bearish once we get the news tomorrow this week, and then we'll see how it ends up. So eventually taking lows. Now, does it take all the way and go down, make lower lows, and end up settling down here? I don't know, but I know we're at least going to take some of this liquidity here and come down. If it finds support here, great. If it doesn't, it's taking these lows out. So we have confluence here, we have it sitting here, and then price can just even and balance price here, come down here, reject from maybe like the 23 sometimes, and it'll kind of make another leg up and then maybe come down. We'll see how it goes. Either way, we're looking for only sells. My intention was only sells. Let's jump right into the trade. So this will make maybe more sense to you. So remember yesterday, if you watched the video, please go watch it. If you didn't, we had that gap. It never got filled. That was yesterday's closing, and it fizzled out right here. That was the last day of the month. So I was only looking for scalps, and I still was. And when we closed, we never finished filling up this gap. Plus we have that high of October, which is sitting right here. Plus we have the line here that is going to be the open of that supply block. See that? So a lot of confluence there, and then we waited for price to react. So today price opened up here, started making structure, rallying up the whole Asia and London. London was doing the same, higher highs, higher lows. And then we started exhausting here. At this point, it's New York time. It's 8:45 or 9:30 here, and we don't really see too much happening, but it was a break of structure here. See this low, high, and then this low happened. See that? When that low happened, when this low happened and broke, that was a big sign of saying, okay, we're going bearish. Price then retraced back into these highs. It's going to be hard to see this. I hope this helps, but it's acting funny. So as you can see, price was coming down and broke this level and then came back up, and I had a limit sell here that would be right above all these clean highs. See that? So I knew that the algorithm wanted to just tap in. I wish it wouldn't be so ugly like this. Here, let me try to fix this. I knew that price would try to tap above and not break. I hope this helps. It didn't break this high, right? So price will generally show a break, retest, and take out liquidity somewhere. These short-term highs here, these intermediate highs here that are inside the range, and they are all sitting right there. Well, if you look at, hopefully I can get it in so you can see. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there. Look at the high of this candle. Watch this. See the high of this candle? What is it? 32,983. Watch the high of this candle. High of this candle is 32,983. You see that? So that, as you see many videos prior from today, you see that these are the things that I look for. I want them to tap into specific levels, and those are the trades I take. If you had missed that, which you probably did, then you can take a sell stop underneath here because the momentum was kicking in. You had a gap sitting right between these candles, and it was just ready to go, right? And you could have caught the wave down once you broke this low. As you see, it was in a hurry. And then my objective was to take profit at the imbalance that's sitting here on the daily. That if you watch yesterday's video, you saw me draw. This is definitely first TP right here is hitting that imbalance. I thought I would have filled it, but it didn't. It came halfway. And then I wasn't sure what prices was going to do. So I got out. I took my money, and when the price started coming back up, I just closed. And my objective was met. So I get paid every day. I'm not worrying about sitting through all this and worrying about losing more if it keeps slowly rallying up. So that's how I trade. I trade and make sure that I get paid every day. I don't care about catching the longest move in the world. It doesn't matter. I got these moves happening every single day, which is catching the move between 7 and 10 o'clock. Technically, you want to catch the move, and then you want to be done by London close, which is about 11 o'clock, sometimes 11:30, sometimes 12, lunch. But generally between 11 and 12 is when I'm looking to take profit and be done. And look, if you see the price, I'm sorry, not price, the time down here, what time is it? 10, 11, look at 11, 11:30, boom, 12. This is happening every single day. I care about the impulse move, the first move in the New York session. This is how I trade. Now, you don't have to do that. I'm not telling you to do that, but I'm telling you, you have a lot of success if you stick to those rules. You don't want to be involved in all this choppiness. And I mean, yes, at 3:30 or 3 o'clock, sometimes the power hour, you might be able to, you have to sometimes catch that trade because it'll roll right into the next day, and then you would have missed it. You would have never got that good trade or position, I'm sorry. But the big point, which you should know, is that these trades happen every day. So I'm not going to sit here after 4 o'clock or even noon and just be sitting here all day on the charts, and then when Asia comes in 8 o'clock and I'm sitting there in Asia, I'm sitting there in London. I mean, dude, you can't live like that. You can't. That's too much. If you got nothing else to do, whatever is fine. But I keep it simple. So I trade between the 7 and the 11. Done. Guess what? I get to enjoy my life. And then I might look at the chart at night, but I'm not trading at night. So I don't have what business do I have? Because I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, in the morning, and I'm going to analyze and take that New York trade, right? So I'm going to do this every day. And look what I caught. It's the majority of the whole day, which is, this was a 500 point almost move, 400 some points. Yeah, 400 points. So, just from here to here, forget here. So, I'm good. What else do I need? So anyways, that being said, as far as tomorrow goes, we got the interest rates coming out. I'm expecting a major spike down, major spike down. Look at all this liquidity sitting here, all these lows here, just money sitting underneath, all these imbalances sitting there. So price, it's at a 79, so price is definitely willing to, I mean, it's not going to all happen tomorrow, but I'm just giving you the idea. We have all balance to be priced. We have lows sitting here with money underneath, which is liquidity. And, we have high interest rates, which bring stocks down. And then, at the 79, we're looking to take these lows. All right. Hope this helps. And then tomorrow, by the way, it is possible that through the night we do come up here, balance price. I see it coming up to about here, at least, right here, to this big supply block here, this right here. Or it might go crazy where it spikes up, and I'm just going to go to a higher time frame real quick. It spikes up and hits one of these levels. It spikes up and hits like here or here and then shoots down. I don't know. God knows. I mean, we could have a big doji candle that goes up, goes down, and centers right here and goes nowhere. Who knows? All I know is I'm following price. Wherever it tells me it's going, I'm going with it, right? All right, so take care. God bless.